2 dirty secrets of the crypto world that no one talks about. और ये dirty secrets कह लें आप इनको, या आप इनको buzzwords या selling technique कह लें, whatever. A, we will be burning X amount of token, or B, insane advertising on market or marketing budget. So let's talk about token burning. Token burning क्या होती है? You burn your tokens. But there is a reason, there has to be a reason. For example, BNB tokens burn किए गए क्यों? क्योंकि Binance के कुछ users ने गलती से mistakenly अपने BNB गलत wallets में डाल दिए, तो उनके token वो ज़ाया हो गए. When Binance exchange realized कि it was a mistake, तो उन्होंने अपनी तरफ से उनको BNB tokens issue किए, send किए to compensate that, and to be fair with the other users, वही equal amount उन्होंने burn कर दिया. Shiba Inu के another example है why they are burning the tokens, because they are 1 quadrillion in total supply, and they understand कि if we have to develop our fundamentals, which they are, we have to reduce the supply. So there's a genuine reason. For example, the Tether key, they accidentally created 5 billion in USDT, which was a mistake, and they have to burn it, and they came clear out of it. So basically, और ये जो सारी mistakes होती हैं, या जो सारी ये movements होती हैं token की from one wallet to other wallet, it's all recorded on public domain on etherscan.io. कोई भी जाके ये सब कुछ देख सकता है. और they have to also come clear with these codes and these movements on GitHub. So this is all transparent. अगर कोई reason है project owners के पास, तो yes, they can burn the token. So if you're thinking of investing into a project, और वो ये selling technique use करें कि that we are going to burn X amount of token, you go and ask the project owners why are you burning it, and they should come clean and clear and transparent कि ये reason हम tokens burn करेंगे. But जो आजकल मैं lately देख रही हूँ, many projects are using it just as a buzzword of selling their projects. Then it's insane amount of insane budget of marketing and advertising. Now again, I'm going to hurt many sentiments, but ट्रस्ट मी, सिर्फ किसी भी प्रोजेक्ट के टोकन के आगे रॉकेट्स लगा देने से, या उस नाम को, उस टोकन के नाम को लैम्बोर्गिनी या फेरारी के ऊपर प्रिंट करा के शहर में घूम लेने से, या दुनिया के बड़ी से बड़ी इमारत पे उसका बिलबोर्ड चला देने से कोई प्रोजेक्ट चांद पे नहीं पहुंच सकता. You have to have fundamentals, you have to have solid foundation, you have to have a very capable and skilled project team जो कि उस project को deliver कर सके और उन promises को deliver कर सके जो कि वो अपनी websites के ऊपर या social media के through promise कर रहे हैं. See, these projects, blockchain projects, AI projects, disruptive technology projects are not joke. You have to come clean and very clear of how you're going to deliver those projects.